Now, in our previous video, we saw how to create a flow from a template and also how to see the flow diagram. Now, in this particular video, we'll see how you can edit the existing flow that you created from a template. So keep watching and stay tuned. All right, so here I am in my Power Automate environment. And over here, I can click on my flows to see the flow that I had created. And this is the flow. Click a button to send an email note that we had created in our previous videos, just from the template to see how we can, on a click of a button, send an email. All right. So let's just go ahead and see the flow diagram by clicking on edit. So this particular flow we created from a template, existing template. All right. But we want to make some changes to it. So for example, if I click on this action send email, you will notice that over here in the to, that is the recipient, I have a dynamic user email, which is available by clicking on the dynamic content user email. And this user email is nothing but the user credentials that was taken automatically by logging into the system. All right. So it sends an email to this particular user account. But what I want to do over here is I want to, let's say, send an email to my another account. So I can actually delete this, or maybe I can say, okay, send an email to this account as well as my another Gmail account. So what I can do is after the semicolon, I can specify my Gmail account. Let's just take that for an example and then click on save. Now to test this, that if this particular changes have been applied, I can run this flow again, or I can click on this test over here. So if I click on test, I can either test it manually, that is starting from the scratch. I can, when it runs, it asks you for the email body and the subject, or I can, run it automatically based on my previous runs. So if I use some of the recently used triggers, then this is the one that I had run like 3 hours ago. So for example, if I use this, then this test run will use an existing data from my past run. So I don't have to run from the scratch. So I can select this and then click on test, and then it will say that your flow has been run successfully. So let me just go ahead and see if the emails have come to both of my accounts. So I can go to my email, that is this particular email that I had provided earlier. So as you can see, I have received an email over here. Well, this is my first email, and this is using the previous data that I had run. Okay. And if I go to my Gmail account, so over here, you can see that I have received an email to the extra Gmail account that I have provided. Over here, you will see that the subject is Hello World. That is my previous data that I had used. It has come from Microsoft Power Apps and Power Automate. And this is my first email using a flow. So this is using the previous data from the test run that I had done earlier. So as you can see, the changes were applied and it was run, and it had sent the email to both the recipients. So this is how you can go to your flow diagrams and make the changes or edit the flow and make much more complex changes. We'll see some more examples in our upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching Tech Quantum and stay tuned.